Apple's $599 MacBook Neo changed people's expectations for budget laptops, and now we're seeing the PC industry's response. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Qualcomm is launching the Snapdragon C processor designed for budget Windows laptops, and it's promising responsive performance, cool, quiet designs, and all-day battery life in entry-tier laptops targeting $300 and up. Qualcomm says the Snapdragon C isn't designed for 3D rendering or 8K video editing, but it can do smooth web browsing, video streaming, and productivity. It even includes an integrated NPU for AI capabilities, something largely missing from entry-level laptops. Overall, it's designed to offer consistent performance for typical workloads. Performance and efficiency have never been the hallmarks of cheap Windows Intel-based laptops, but by ditching Intel in favor of its far more efficient ARM-based chips, it became feasible for Apple to build a product like the Neo. It makes sense then for Windows manufacturers to do the same, and Qualcomm's giving them that possibility with its new system on chip. Qualcomm said laptops using the Snapdragon C are expected to hit shelves later this year from manufacturers including Acer, HP, and Lenovo. If they perform as Qualcomm boasts and comes near that $300 price point, those products could make a big impact in the entry-level laptop market and help Windows PC makers win customers who want an alternative to the MacBook Neo. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update.